Patente. I wasn't understanding anything. I would just go to the auto scholar and then I would fall asleep. Then I stopped going since I wasn't understanding anything, until a friend of mine introduced me to Ambrish Quick Patente. And ever since, I've been attending the class with Ambrish Quick Patente, and the class has been of a big help to me. The teaching of Ambrish make me to understand Patente very well. The teaching of Ambrish make me to understand the rules and regulations that govern Patente, that govern driving in Italy. I can boldly say that I am a student of Ambrish. I will drive in this country without any mistake or error, because I've learned a lot from Ambrish Quick Patente. Mr. Ambrish is a great teacher. He teaches with patience, he teaches with love, and he teaches with great expectation and encouragement. Mr. Ambrish will encourage you even when you don't know it. He will encourage you. Mr. Ambrish will encourage you even when you don't believe in yourself. He will believe in you. I love him for that. I love him for the courage he has given me. I love him for boosting me up, for making me to know that I can do this. And indeed, I did it and I passed. Mr. Ambrish, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Anyone that is looking into having Patente in this country, it is easy with Ambrish Quick Patente School. It's easy with him. I just hope a lot of people get to know Mr. Ambrish so everyone can have this Patente, because I've come to understand that in this country, Patente is a necessity. Is a necessity. As long as you live in this country and you are a family person, you need this Patente. So I pray and I hope a lot of people come in contact with Ambrish in order to obtain this driving license. Thank you so much, Mr. Ambrish. God bless you. Much love from me. Blessing from Nigeria. Thank you. I appreciate it.